Friends, Hindu worship or pujas or any Hindu rituals have very long process that requires lot of items. I see people spending lot of time, say at least 2 hours, before and after any Hindu ritual or worship to organize the items that are needed for the ritual and to put those back after the ritual. If the worship or puja room is separate, they run in and out many times and get exhausted by the time the ritual starts. So today, I thought I should show how to organize important items that are needed for any Hindu puja or ritual to save time and energy. The items that I'm going to show you now are always needed for any Shodasopachara Puja, which includes 16 different ways of worshipping the deities. That is Dhyanam, Avahanam, Asanam, Padyam, Argyam, Achamanam, Snanam, Vastram, Yajnopavitam, Gandham, Pushpam, Dhupam, Deepam, Naivedyam, Tambulam and Pradikshanam. Let's start looking at each item in the list. First, keep separate pair of glasses if you use in the worship room, as I see many people misplace these and search all the time. Notepad and pen for writing any notes, for example, items to purchase, counts of mantras, etc. Any puja vidhanam or process book, as all pujas have the same process with slight alterations. 100 deities Ashtotra Puja book, that is book that has 108 namas of gods and goddesses. Vishnu and Lalita Sahasranama book, as most people chant these two Sahasranamas quite often. Small altar, that is asanam for placing deities. One small towel or any cloth to use as asanam or to sit for the person or persons performing the ritual. Chalk for drawing rangolis in the puja room. Paper towel roll. Wicks of various sizes. Cotton used for making vastram and yajnopavitam. Lamps of various sizes made of silver, brass, glass and clay. The clay lamps are used for lighting lamps near tulsi, that is basil plant, which is worshipped by Hindus. The clay lamps are also used during the festival of Diwali. Oil in a container that has a spout or a hole to easily pour in the lamps. Matchbox. White thread and needle for making garlands. Thread is also used for making toran, that is made with 9 strings of thread during Varalakshmi Puja and other pujas. Scissors to cut wicks, garlands, etc. Container for water and spoon used for achamanam, and a separate bowl of water to use for argyam, padyam, etc., as you must not use the same water from the bowl that you do achamanam. Container for doing bath or snanam to the deities and conch. Kumkum. Saffron powder. Turmeric. Vibhuti. Sandalwood powder and a small container for making paste. Perfume to use in sandalwood paste and to use during Suvasini Puja. Rice mixed with turmeric called as akshatas. Rice mixed with kumkum or saffron, as red akshatas are usually used during Devi Pujas. Gold or silver flowers, pushpas, for Ashtotra Puja. Small bangles for doing Ashtotra Namas, that is 108 Namas, or Sahasra Namas, that is 1000 Nama Puja. Small silver or brass container for Panchamritams, made by mixing 5 ingredients: milk, curd or yogurt, ghee or clarified butter, honey and sugar. Incense sticks and stand for holding multiple sticks. Dhoop sticks for dhupam and a holder. Plates for offering food, that is naivedyam to the deities. Jaggery in a small container. betel nuts or small packs of betel nuts for tambulam, coins for tambulam, camphor, brass or silver aarti stand, preferably the one that has 5 slots for pancha aarti. You can do single aarti also with the same one. Chatram, that is a small umbrella, and chamram, that is a small fan made with peacock feathers. Rosary beads for counting during meditation. Big plate or bowl for keeping fruits or flowers or tambulam. If you keep all these items in your worship room or altar, it will be very easy to perform any puja or ritual without much preparation. I store all these items in and under my puja mandir itself, as I don't like to put a separate shelf for these items in my puja room. Hence the sizes are small. I hope this video helps you to organize these items and save time. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.